Welcome. In today's video, we're going to explore how to share a contact on WhatsApp. Whether you want to connect friends or share a new connection, this quick tutorial will show you the steps to make it happen. Let's dive in. First, make sure you have WhatsApp installed on your Android device. Once you're ready, go ahead and open the app. You'll be greeted with your chat list, showing all your conversations. Next, find the chat where you want to share a contact. This could be a group chat or a one-on-one conversation. Once you've located the desired chat, tap on it to open it up. Now, look at the top of the screen where you'll see the contact name displayed. This is the person whose details you want to share. Tap on that contact name to access their profile and more options. After tapping the contact name, check the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll find 3 dots. These dots give you access to additional settings and options. Go ahead and tap on those 3 dots. A menu will pop up, presenting several choices. What you want to select now is Share. This option allows you to send the contact details to the chat you opened earlier, making it easy to connect. Once you tap on Share, a confirmation screen will appear showing the contact's information. If everything looks good, simply hit the Send button. And just like that, you've successfully shared a contact on WhatsApp. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.